Hey everyone, after creating a dozen math-based minigames, I decided it was time to build something more ambitious, a game that has multiple levels and evolves over time. It's a game where each weekly phase builds on the last, adding new gameplay mechanics, features, and mathematical layers. To make it accessible and fun, I decided to base the game on the popular and straightforward math theory, set theory. Set theory is the study of collections of objects. It's foundational to mathematics and it's highly visual. This makes it perfect for a puzzle or strategy game. My game will be all about organizing collections, and it's designed to grow across around 4 distinct phases, ultimately combining into one large cohesive experience. Think of it as a simple move and drop game, kind of like Tetris, but with a mathematical twist. Here's a sneak peek at how the game will unfold. Phase 1 is the basics, understanding a set or subset as a container for unique objects or elements. You'll be given some objects, fruits, emojis, etc. Your job will be to drop them into the correct sets based on a specific rule, such as red or even. Phase 2 is set intersection. This phase introduces Venn diagrams and the operations of finding the common elements or intersections of 2 or more sets. You'll see overlapping sets, and you'll need to place the objects in the correct region, set A only, set B only, or the intersection, meaning it belongs to both A and B. Phase 3 is combining elements. Here we will explore how elements can work together or be manipulated. You'll be given 2 or more elements that need to be combined or removed from each other to fit perfectly into provided sets. Phase 4 is power-up zones. This phase introduces dynamic gameplay where elements can be changed before they reach the collection zone. Power-up zones will appear on the screen. You'll need to strategically guide the dropping object to pass through or avoid certain zones to ensure it lands into the correct basket. I'm sure more ideas will pop up as the game develops, but for now I have a direction to go. If you're curious to see how this game turns out, or if you're interested in more game development ideas, please hit that like button and subscribe. I'll be sharing my progress here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.